dear students. Welcome to this online lecture series on economics. I am Dr. Baliram Balaji Pandey, at Department of Economics, Devgiri College of Bengaluru. I would like to the title this wonderful opportunities to deal with the subject. I am going to teach you title of the unit, Introduction to Micro and Microeconomics. Before we turn to title, let's understand the concept or the subject. What is economics exactly? It origin concept economics lies in Greek word economics, which means economia. Economics, which means economia. Economia, which means managing of the household. Kautilya says, Kautilya says, Kautilya's the economic view. Kautilya's well-oriented definition of the economics. Adam Smith, father of economics, wealth-oriented definition of economics. And next, Marshall, welfare-oriented definition of economics. Hello, dear students. Yes, very interesting. And next, Leon Robinson, scarcity definition of economics. Economics. Generally, we will discuss very interesting. Generally, economics, which means, according to Paul Samuelson's, economics to the refers to as meaning of social science. Paul Samuelson's. Samuelson says, economics, which means deal how human being unlimited, human being satisfied unlimited, satisfied unlimited with satisfied mean, very interesting this concept. Paul Samuelson's, Kautilya, Smith, Marshall, Robinson's, and last Paul Samuelson's. Okay. Next questions, very interesting. Economics is the science. Economics is the social science. What is science? Science, which means systematic body of knowledge. Systematic body of knowledge. What is science? Systematic body of knowledge. Science, there are two parts. Very interesting. There are two parts. First in what? Natural science. And second in what? Very interesting, social science. Natural science are called as, natural science are also called as exact sciences, because the empirical approach to the study. For example, mathematics, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And next, physics and chemistry. Yes, physics and chemistry related to this information tested in the laboratory under control condition. Yeah. The next side involves social science. Social science, which means hello students, social science, which means very interesting, to the study of human behavior. Social science, which means abstract or numerical behavior to related some or other aspect of human behavior. For example, very interesting beta. For example, psychology. Psychology to related mental aspect of human behavior. Sociology to related social aspect, man as a member of society. And the next, economics. Economics to related economic behavior, economic aspect of human behavior. Yeah. The last conclusion, that's very interesting. Very interesting. The social science, which means to the study of human behavior. It can be studied. There are two parts. First, very interesting individual, and second is what very interesting aggregate. Individual and aggregate. Individual which means micro, and second in what? Aggregate which means macro. Yes. Second in what? Aggregate which means macro. Yeah. Micro and macro. Differences between what? Micro and macro. Macro. Very interesting. Yes. Macro. Very interesting. Macro, which means first macro, the terms of micros, derived from Greek word, and second in what very interesting, macros, the term macros derived from Greek word. In first macro economy is very interesting. Macros which means small or million parts, and second in words macros which means large, broad, and second first very interesting, particularly macros, particularly Maurice Dobb, according to Professor Dobb says microeconomics is in fact study of the microscopic economy. Second, Baldwin says, according to Baldwin says that, very interesting, microeconomics to the study, very interesting, microeconomics to the study, like particular firms, particular householders, particular price, wages, incomes, individual industries, particular commodities. It is called as microeconomics. Second in what? Very interesting. Professor Shapiro. According to Shapiro said that. Very interesting. Macroeconomics deals with the functions of the country as a whole. Very interesting. General definition. Macroeconomics general definitions. Macro which means large, broad. And second definition according to Shapiro. Shapiro says microeconomics deals with the functions of the country as a whole. Yeah. And next, micro and macroeconomics differences between, very interesting. We have features between, very interesting. Yes, okay. First, study of individual units, and second, very interesting, study of aggregates. Study of individual and study of aggregate. Well, and next, dear students, rest of the part, the teacher, rest of the part, the lecture, we will see after tea break. Okay, fine.